Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tally Globe Customized Modules. In today's video, we'll explore the Tally Recycle Bin module and learn how it works in TallyPrime. We'll cover how to enable the Recycle Bin module, how deleted vouchers are moved to the Recycle Bin instead of being permanently deleted, how to restore deleted vouchers, how to permanently remove vouchers when required, and how to restrict users from accessing the Recycle Bin report using user roles. So, without further ado, let's get started. Open your Tally company and navigate to F1, Help TDLs and Add-ons. Press F4, Manage Local TDLs. Next, locate the TDL file on your computer. Right-click the TDL file, select Properties, and open the Security tab. Copy the file path where the TDL file is stored. Return to Tally, paste the copied file path into the TDL file location field, select the required TDL file, and accept the screen to load the module successfully. After loading the TDL, press F6, Add-on Features. Set Enable Recycle Bin to Yes, and then accept the screen to save the changes. Once the configuration is complete, return to the gateway of Tally. Then the gateway of Tally, open the daybook and select any voucher. Press Delete. Tally will display the confirmation message, Delete Voucher. This action will move the voucher to the Recycle Bin. Yes, No. If you select No, the voucher will remain unchanged and will not be deleted. If you select Yes, the voucher will not be permanently deleted. Instead, it will be moved to the Recycle Bin. To view the deleted vouchers, navigate to Display More Reports Exception Reports Recycle Bin. The Recycle Bin displays all deleted vouchers. You can also see details such as which user deleted the voucher, making it easier to track deleted transactions. If you want to permanently remove a voucher from the Recycle Bin, select the required voucher and press Alt+D. Confirm the action by selecting Yes. The voucher will then be deleted permanently and cannot be restored. If you want to restore a voucher, select it from the Recycle Bin and press Alt+R. Confirm by selecting Yes. The voucher will be restored to the daybook and will be available again in Tally. And if you do not want certain users to access the Recycle Bin report, you can restrict it through user roles. Navigate to Alt+K Company User Roles and create a new user role or modify an existing one. Under the Disallow the following facilities section, set Recycle Bin to full access restriction and then accept the screen to save the changes. Assign this user role to the required user. After the new role is assigned, log in using that user's credentials. The user will no longer have permission to view or access the Recycle Bin report, while all other permissions assigned to the role will continue to work as configured. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to try the Tally Recycle Bin module or explore any of our other Tally Globe customized modules, feel free to contact us for a free trial demo. Our team will be happy to demonstrate the module's features and help you determine the best solution for your business. Contact us today to schedule your trial demo.